Good morning to everyone. In this lecture, EC8691 microprocessors and microcontrollers, third year CSC department, Unit 1, the 8086 microprocessors. Now, this is a Unit 1 syllabus of 8086 microprocessor. In this lecture, we have to study the 8086 introduction of 8086 and main features of 8086. Now, the outline of this presentation: introduction of 8086 microprocessor and the architecture of 8086 microprocessor, and also the addressing mode of 8086 microprocessor. Now, first of all, what is the difference between the microprocessor and microcontroller? In microprocessor, there is we see the diagrams. The microprocessor is a CPU and several supporting chip in separate devices. Here the block diagram of microprocessor. The CPU are the individual integrated circuits, and the timer and the input and output devices and the serial interfaces, and a separate RAM and ROM is a memory device. Here the microcontroller is a single chip inbuilt a CPU, input output ports, serial interfaces, memory spaces, that is a RAM and a ROM memory spaces, timer and control circuits. So there are number of devices or number of components are integrated in a single chip, that is called a microprocessor. So you are understanding the microprocessor and microcontroller. Now in this lecture, we have to prepare or study the microprocessor in 8086 processing. Now, what is the evaluation of microprocessor? In first generation, the 4004 in 1971 4-bit PMOS technology. Here the first generation of microprocessor, and the second generation the 8085, that is a 8085 in 1773. These are the 8-bit NMOS technology. And what is the 8-bit? The 8-bit is 2 power 8, that is a 256 words bits, that is 1 byte of memories and 1 byte of operations and 1 byte of executable data. So in second generation, the 8085 processor having a 8-bit NMOS technology is manufactured in the Intel manufacturing companies. Now the third generation, the 8086, 80186, 80286 is a 1978. This generation of microprocessor having 16-bit microprocessor integrated in HMOS technology. Finally, the fourth generation. In this generation, the 80386, 80486 in 1980, there have a 32-bit, that is a HCMOS technology, complementary technology. So these are the advanced processing unit of Intel processors. Now we are going to discuss about the features and applications of general microprocessor. The main feature, the microprocessor to reduce the cost and reduce the size and reduce the power, and the applications it is using the general purpose applications and the special purpose applications. Now, in this lecture, we have to deep study in 8086 microprocessor. So, you have to move to the main features of 8086. Here the presentation. The Intel 8086 is a 16-bit microprocessor. 16-bit microprocessor means they are having a 2 byte of execution data. It contains approximately 29,000 transistors and is fabricated using HMOS technology. Now the second one is it is a 16-bit data buses and 20-bit address buses. The memory capacity is a 1 megabyte and the supply voltage is positive 5 volt forward bias supplying voltage and one clock frequency. They are having a frequency range is 5 megahertz, and also it is a 16 control lines, and it support the 64 kilo input and output ports. Now the second lecture video, the architecture of 8086. In this lecture, the introduction of microprocessor and the introduction of microprocessor 8086 and the main features of 8086. Thank you for watching this video.